What do I pack on the Camino is a really popular question. Packing light is definitely the key, because the less that you carry, the more you're going to enjoy the experience.
What you pack largely depends on how you're going to tackle the Camino. Some people want to do it all by themselves, carrying everything on the back. Other people are quite happy to get the luggage transferred, and this is what we provide. Having your luggage transferred means that you can pack exactly what you want to wear for the evenings, you can pack extra footwear, there's no hassle. You only have to think about what you want to carry each day on your lightweight backpack. So some water, some snacks, some changes of clothes, some waterproofs. That's all you need to think about, the rest of it we'll deal with.
So here is a short list of suggested items of kit to ensure that you make the best of your Camino. We suggest the following items. First of all, a hat, for covering up in sunny sections and exposed areas of terrain.
Clothes. You'll want to take some clothes with you on the Camino trek, I would imagine, but what we're really driving at here is taking layers for walking. The temperature varies quite a lot on the Camino as you go across. Some days it'll be really hot, others a little cooler, so it's great to have layers to strip off down to your desired temperature. It's good to pack a mixture of long sleeve and short sleeve tops, and also some vests, just so that you've got every eventuality covered.
Trousers and shorts, or even better, a pair of zip-off trousers so you can have the best of both worlds. Also make sure that you pack a rain jacket and waterproof trousers as well.
On your feet, we recommend a pair of good, strong, sturdy, waterproof walking boots. This makes sure you've got extra ankle support to get you through to Santiago. The other thing that complements this is a couple of pairs of walking socks. There's no point having good walking boots without having some excellent walking socks to go with them. Some people take a couple of pairs each day and rotate them just to keep their feet fresh and looked after so you can make it all the way to Santiago.
Don't forget to bring soft shoes for the evening. This will give your feet a chance to breathe. Also, once you arrive in Santiago, it might be a good idea to bring some flip-flops for when you're in the queue at the pilgrim's office. You won't want to wear those boots for any longer.
Backpacks. There are two types of backpack that we would recommend. One, the large one, which we'll take care of and transport each night. The other one, which is slightly more important, is your day pack. When you're choosing a day pack, make sure it's lightweight, it's waterproof, and it has a lot of straps down the front to make sure you are super comfortable walking with it. You're going to be spending a lot of time together, so making sure it has the right number of pockets for everything you need is essential. The other thing people ask a lot about is trekking poles. We would recommend taking a pair of lightweight, foldable trekking poles. This way, you can put them in your day pack and forget about them if you don't need them. But when you're out walking, sometimes those hills you need a wee bit of extra help. It's great to have the poles to assist you.
It's essential to bring a first aid kit as well, particularly lots and lots of blister plasters. Don't worry if you start to run out of anything though, because there are lots of pharmacies in the larger towns that you'll visit.
The other essential is a really good, sturdy, lightweight water bottle. There are fountains all along the Camino where you can fill up your water bottle, and staying hydrated is key to making it a happy and comfortable walk. We would recommend something you could hang on your pack, something you get easy access to. These basics should help you get started for packing for the Camino de Santiago. For a more comprehensive list, you can click on the link in the description box below to our blog post about this subject.
Thank you very much for watching. I hope that was useful, and if you do have any more questions, please ask in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click on the link to find some more great videos on the Camino.